Hey everyone, this is an updated video about installing Sage Attention 2.2 on both the latest portable and desktop versions of ComfyUI. So, let's get started. First, we are going to focus on installing Sage Attention in the portable version. If you don't know about this, here it is. Sage Attention needs Triton to work, and Triton needs certain Python development headers and libraries to work. The portable version of ComfyUI comes with an embedded Python which doesn't have these files. So, we need to get these files and put them inside that embedded Python. Let's see how we can do that. So, open the ComfyUI portable folder. In my case, ComfyUI is located in the Downloads folder. Here is ComfyUI, let's open it. Inside, we can find a folder called Python Embedded. Let's open it. After that, let's open a terminal or PowerShell window right here. Now, we are going to find out what Python version this ComfyUI is using. Type the following: /python.exe --V, then press enter. We can now see the Python version. The Python I am using is 3.13.6. So, we need to download the full installer of the exact same Python version from the internet and install it on our computer. The download link for the Python installer is in the description. Let's open that link in the browser. Here we go. In here, we can find a lot of Python installers. Let's look for the Python version that we need right now. So, let's scroll down and look for Python 3.13.6. Here we go. Under the name, we can find the 64-bit Windows installer. Let's click and download it. Let's save it in the Downloads folder. After finishing the download, let's open the Downloads folder. Here is the Python installer. Let's run it. I will select the Customize Installation option. Let's leave the default options as they are and click on Next. Next, I am going to change the installation location. So, let's click on Browse. I will choose the Downloads folder and create a new folder there called Python. Then, select that folder and click OK. Finally, click on the Install button and wait until the installation is complete. The installation is complete. Let's close this window. Next, let's open the installation folder of Python. In here, select and copy both folders called Include and Libs. Then, go back to the ComfyUI folder and open the Python embedded folder. Let's paste the folders we just copied into this location. After that, let's open a terminal here and install Triton. So, type the following command: /python.exe -m pip install triton-windows, then press enter. The installation of Triton is complete. Now, let's clear the window and check the torch version the portable ComfyUI is using. So, type the following command: /python.exe -m pip show torch, then press enter. As you can see, my portable version uses Torch 2.9.0 with Q130. This information is needed for installing the correct version of Sage Attention. So, let's open the link for downloading Sage Attention. This download link is also available in the description. Let's open it in the browser. Here we go. Let's scroll down. Under Releases, click on the latest version. Then, let's scroll down again. Here you can see a lot of installation packages for Sage Attention. In every file, it is mentioned which package is made for which Torch and CUDA version. And also, all of these packages have CP39-ABI3 in their names, which says that these packages can be installed in any Python that is Python 3.9 or above. This means if your Python is above 3.9 and is part of the Python 3 series, then you don't need to worry about the minor version numbers. But one thing you need to make sure is that the Torch version and the CUDA version in the file's name should be matching with the ComfyUI Torch and CUDA version. However, in some cases, you don't need to worry about the CUDA minor versions as well. For example, if you are using Torch 2.9.0 with CUDA 12.9, then you don't need to worry about the CUDA minor version. Just get the package which says Torch 2.9.0 with CUDA 12.8. In my case, I want a package which is made for Torch 2.9.0 with Q130. So, this is the package. Let's right-click on this package and copy the link. Then, let's go back to the terminal and type /python.exe -m pip install. And let's paste the link we just copied by using Ctrl and V. Then, press enter. The Sage Attention package will be downloaded and installed. After that, let's close the terminal. Now it's time to start using Sage Attention. We have two ways that can be utilized to use Sage Attention. One is adding a flag to the ComfyUI launcher, and the other method is using a custom node from KJNodes. First, let's take a look at the flag method. This is the flag we need to add in the ComfyUI launcher. So, let's copy this flag and open the main folder of ComfyUI Portable. Here we have the bat files for launching ComfyUI. Most of the time, I will be using the run NVIDIA GPU.bat file, so I am going to add the flag in this launcher. Let's open it inside Notepad. In Notepad, after the words --Windows standalone build, put a space and paste the flag, then save the file. Now we are ready to launch ComfyUI. Let's launch ComfyUI. If you have added the flag properly, the terminal window will show you that it is using Sage Attention. After launching, we can start using Sage Attention. Now let's take a look at the other way for using Sage Attention. For that, we need to install KJNodes. Use the ComfyUI Manager to install KJNodes. Let's take a look at that. Open the ComfyUI Manager and then click on Custom Nodes Manager. Then, click on Search and start searching for ComfyUI KJNodes. Here it is. In my case, I have already installed KJNodes. So, guys, if you want to use the second method, make sure you have installed KJNodes. Now let's close the manager. In this workflow, let's add the node for using Sage Attention. So, double-click and search for Patch Sage Attention KJ. Here it is. Let's click on it. We need to add this node in between the model and the K-sampler. In my case, I have a LoRa loader added. So, I am going to connect the model output of the LoRa loader to the model input of Patch Sage Attention KJ. Then, connect the model output of Patch Sage Attention KJ to the model input of K-sampler. After that, we can start using the options for Sage Attention in the Patch Sage Attention KJ node. We can choose Auto or other options like Sage Attention QKINT 8PV FP16 CUDA or the Triton option. I am going to choose Auto. Then, let's run the workflow. To check if it is working, when the generation in process, look at the terminal. Here it is saying patching ComfyUI Attention to use Sage Attention. If every step you have done is correct, the generation will complete successfully. The generation is completed. Now let's take a look at the generated image. Yes, it looks good. Now it is time to install Sage Attention in the desktop version of ComfyUI. From my experiments, I think we don't need to do the step of copying Python development headers and libraries to the desktop version of ComfyUI. So, let's see how we can install Sage Attention in desktop ComfyUI. So, first launch the desktop ComfyUI. After ComfyUI Desktop shows its interface, click on the toggle bottom panel option. Then, click on Terminal. Let's clear the terminal by typing clear and pressing Enter. First, let's check the Python version by running the command Python -V. The Python that my ComfyUI desktop is using is 3.12.8. Now let's check the Torch version by running pip show torch. So, my ComfyUI desktop is using Torch 2.8.0 with Q129 support. Therefore, we need the Sage Attention package that supports Torch 2.8.0 with Q129. Now, let's open the link for downloading Sage Attention. Here we go again. Under Releases, click on the latest version. Then, scroll down. Here we can find the Sage Attention package for Torch 2.8.0 with Q128. My ComfyUI desktop uses Torch 2.8.0 with Q129. But as I said earlier in this video, we don't need to worry about the CUDA minor version difference. Also, regarding the Python version, my ComfyUI desktop is using above the Python 3.9 minimum, so like I said before, we don't need to worry about Python minor version differences. We can just download this and install it in the ComfyUI. So let's right-click on this file and copy the link. Then go back to the terminal of ComfyUI Desktop and type pip install, then paste the link we just copied by using Ctrl+V. Then press Enter. After the installation finishes, let's install the Triton package by running the command pip install triton-windows and pressing Enter. Here we go. The installation is finished. Now we are ready to start using Sage Attention. For using Sage Attention in ComfyUI Desktop, I suggest using the custom node from KJNodes. We learned about it earlier. So, if you don't have the KJNodes, use the ComfyUI Manager to install KJNodes. And thank you for watching. I hope this video will help you with installing Sage Attention in ComfyUI. So, what do you think about this video? Please let me know in the comment section. See you soon with another video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel.